know what I'm saying? We out here in nature, out here grounding ourselves to nature, the beautiful outside. 16 years old, born in 2003, October 1st. Stevan Trey Brown is what I go by, but they call me Trey. Welcome to Spiritual Tea. So, really, just been living nice life, learning about so much, semen retention, about veganism, really about so much that comes with this life shit, man. Learn about past lives, all type of shit, bro. Really, now I'm starting to transform into the stage of where I'm learning about ways I can support myself, learning about jobs, passive money, learning about all type of shit. I know if I go and work a job, I'm only gonna work a job for a certain amount of year to where I can get my taxes and all that shit, plus the money I'm working from the job to where I can have a pool of money to where I can start investing and making businesses and getting in that area of the life. And right now I'm just learning about things, really just learning, taking life casually. Right now I'm filming this during this quote-unquote pandemic, the coronavirus, the bullshit 5G towers. If you woke, you know what I'm talking about, man. It's nothing new, man. We already know what these people up to, these cabals, whatever you want to call them. They out here, and they power getting stole from them. This world will never be the same. The world is taking their power back. The world is taking its power back. Mother Nature is coming. Mother Nature's been here, but it don't like what's been going on. Karma is a bitch, aka Mother Nature. Your karma is your nature. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm out here recording on my 6S, thugging it out. You know what I'm saying? Got my left ice on my neck with a frozen heart. Out here just really grinding myself, letting my intuition speak for me. Getting into the flow state. Shout out to that man, I Am for Ascension. Shout out Soul Illuminati. You know what I'm saying? I'm grateful for them niggas. I'm grateful for them young men. Excuse my language. You know what I'm saying? They've been teaching me a lot for a young person. I'm 16, about 6'3". Like, god dang, how am I this tall? Like, it's a blessing and shit, but I ain't trying to be about 20 or something, hit my head when I walk through a doorway or something. Like, god damn. You know what I'm saying? That's tough. Nah, let me stop playing around, you know what I'm saying? Really, just up in this camera, putting it in my face so I ain't that shy or nothing. Make sure I ain't scary. Because I understand that not only can YouTube help me get to places I need to be, but YouTube could be somewhere where I let everything out that I got on my mind, to really just let out any emotions or anything that's just on my chest. And then I can use that YouTube ad revenue to get me to the place where I need to be in life so I can help other people out. Help other people be where they need to be in life. Service to others. No cap. So, really, I'm hoping that in the next months or whatever, I could probably find a computer or manifest a computer or manifest material or something that can help me start uploading, help me start getting videos on YouTube, and really just like start pushing this shit, taking it gradually, learning things about it, gaining mentors, gaining people that do this shit that can help me, getting a high vibe tribe. But yeah, it's so nice to just have beautiful skin, taking care of yourself. Lately, I do gotta admit, I've been falling off my focus lane, because usually I don't smoke or nothing, but I ain't smoked yet today. But I'm just, these past days, with being stuck in the house and shit, even though we really not stuck in the house, you want to come out here, you can come out here just like I am out here. But really, with all this bullshit going on, motherfuckers in the house, track got stopped. So yeah, I was gonna smoke a couple blunts here and there. But fuck it. I know within my inner self, my higher self, is telling me, don't fall off track. And I know to listen to that. So, been taking my time outside, grounding myself every morning, getting them positive ions on my feet, and just coming up on knowledge, realizing that I'm only 16 years old. I got a hella time on my life. And if I don't, it was meant to be in the first place. Realizing that this matrix is an illusion, and I have full control over my reality and my future destinies, and that I must put in effort, but also balance out the fact that I could be still, if you get what I'm saying. So really, I'm just out here, no script. The only script is in here. That's all. Just really out here talking to y'all. And man, shout out my whoever support me. Whoever support me, you got my full heart and attention. You got my love, and I hopefully got yours. Whoever support me, God bless you. Now, speaking of God, a lot of things about Christianity and religion in general it just disappoints me how we have let religion as a humanity species divide us. Like, that's not what they wanted. That's like that's not what these demons and shit want in the first place, us to be divided. Like, yeah, on a deeper level, once you start going within deep, you realize we are all connected. We are all one. We are all the source living throughout itself. It's just crazy how divided this world has come through about many things. We have just let it happen. We just let these motherfuckers throw this shit in our face and act like we don't see it. Like, that shit blows me. Know what I'm saying? And excuse my profanity, but that's just how I feel about it. Simple. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no big YouTuber, so I can say whatever the fuck I want on here. No cap. Now, if I make it or something, then we gonna have to start taking into consideration the little children, whatever. But right now, I say whatever I want. Say whatever I want. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm enjoying about these first couple years as I'm just recording myself. The fact that I have the freedom to say whatever I want. I ain't gotta worry about no rich people getting on my heels. None of that. Because they don't know nothing about me. So these are the years I'm gonna really try to help people before I gotta start worrying about my back, worrying about some rich white motherfucker hopping out a black van, kidnapping me or any of that. You know what I'm saying? Because they will do that to you. They will get you up out the way. You're doing too much. They'll get you out the way. They'll tell your ass to say goodbye. That's tough. But they gonna have to catch me. They gonna have to catch me. They gonna have to catch me. You know what I'm saying? I'm just out here chilling. Chilling with my beautiful ass tree, bro. This tree beautiful as hell. Like, goddamn, Mother Nature, you sexy as shit. Goddamn. Every so damn hug the tree. We all just walking trees when you really think about it. Like, have you ever realized when you put your toes up in this ground and really ground yourself, you start feeling like you ruin yourself in? You got your leaves, you got your limbs. Have you ever realized what we don't need, they need, and what they don't need, we need? It's a cycle. We are walking trees. They're just not conscious. We have a consciousness, an ego. They have consciousness new, but not as evolved as ours as humans. We have a fucking ego. The ego which has led this world to what it is today. Now, what I want to speak about is the fact that we don't need 5G because we living in 5D. Myself, I'm working on 5D, you know what I'm saying? Taking it day by day. You know what I'm saying? Just taking it day by day. Simple. But we don't need 5G because we in 5D. Shout out that man, Ralph Smart, Infinite Waters. Soaking up that good energy. No cap. You know what I'm saying? Just let my beautiful face just really, when you take care of yourself, you glow. You start to glow. Take care of yourself, man. If I could do it, you could do it. Because at the end of the day, we all bleed red. It's just that simple. But say, man, really start taking the time to take care of yourself, because nobody else going to do it. Because at the end of the day, no matter where you go on this earth, no matter where you go in this country, no matter what you do, you still got to live with yourself. Even when you not living, you still got to live with yourself. Simple. Spiritual tea out of here, man. I'm checking out.